In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your Xiaomi Pad 6 to a projector. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which projector model you have, you will be able to use this convenient method to mirror your Pad 6 screen onto it. So to do this, you will have to use a cable. So for this particular method that I'm showcasing in this video, you will be establishing a physical connection, so a wired connection between the Xiaomi Pad and the projector. There might be wireless methods that you can use, but like I said, for this video I'm going to be focusing on a wired connection because I believe it is the most convenient option for most people. So in order to establish this connection, you will be using a HDMI cable. So the HDMI end will go into the projector, so most projectors will have an HDMI port at the back, and what you have to do is connect this HDMI port with a cable and make the cable go into your tablet or smartphone. There are plenty of different ways to do this. For example, you could directly connect it to your Xiaomi Pad 6 by using a USB-C cable. So if you have a USB-C to HDMI, one end of the cable goes into the Pad 6, so the USB-C end, and then the other one, the HDMI end, goes into the projector. There's no secret to this. Immediately upon doing this connection, the Pad 6 screen will be mirrored over. If you don't have a USB-C to HDMI cable, you have other options as well. You can use an HDMI to HDMI if you get one of these, so this will connect into your tablet and it will give you access to an HDMI port, which then you can connect to the projector by using a standard HDMI cable. Alternatively, you can get a hub which is going to connect into the tablet and it gives you access not only to USB-C, USB-A, but also an HDMI port. So if you need the charging port for someone else or for something else, maybe you have another thing connected and you don't want to remove it just to connect to the projector, then use the hub and then it will give you access to another one of these. And afterwards, establish the physical connection by following this image. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Xiaomi Pad 6 to projector. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.